Call Nessie, Justine.
Come on, Nessie. Come on.
Wow, what a morning. Tell you what, this is the Sound of Mull. I used to come fishing on the Sound of Mull a lot when I was younger. And it's really rare to see the Sound of Mull looking like this in February. It is so sunny right now, I can't even look at the camera properly. It is an awesome day in the Scottish Highlands. This is what the Scottish Highlands could look like regularly if we just had more sunshine and nice weather. No wind. What a treat. Anyway, welcome to Scotland. Welcome to another day in Scotland. Another Scottish adventure vlog day. Strap yourself in because we're actually going for a really long road trip from here on the Isle of Mull. I'm currently at Fishnet PR. That white speck over there is the Fishnet ferry, which is going to take us from here on Mull over to the mainland, the Morven Peninsula, and then we're off on a big massive triangle trip of Scotland, round trip in one day, if we can make it. So we've made it over onto the Scottish mainland. We're off Mull now. It was great to be on Mull. Beautiful island, but we've got places to go today. My sister Justine's boyfriend is over from Canada, and that's actually the main reason we've come on this road trip, to show him all the different places. So the plan for today is really ambitious, right? It is currently 11 AM in the morning. We've just got off the ferry. The next ferry we need to catch takes us over to Fort William at Corrin. From Fort William, we are then travelling up to Inverness. We're hopefully going to see Culloden and the Clava Cairns stones. From here to Inverness is going to take us like 3 hours driving anyway, so it's going to be a long day. It's going to be a cool road trip nonetheless. We're going to see some awesome things, awesome sights. It is gorgeous today. Alright, so we've stopped on the banks of Loch Ness. We might even see the monster down there in the waters at some point, right? And we're here to stop at our Kirk Castle. First time ever in this place. Let's have a wee look. It looks quite a bit ruinous, which I like. That's my type of castle.
You wear me down. My actions won't be forgiven. When we first met,
these might be the narrowest, steepest spiral stairs I've ever been down. Woo. That was a mission. Oh, there's an underground chamber here. Types of places that we would generally say are haunted, but like it says up there, it's just a storeroom. Very cool and atmospheric nonetheless. Nice wee view from the castle here of Loch Ness there behind me. If Nessie was here, I'm sure someday, of all the many thousands of tourists that pass here, would have seen it. Justine is touching the Loch Ness water. The same water that Nessie inhales or breathes or drinks or whatever. Steve, you going in?
I'm just going to put my feet in. I have to say I did that.
Wow. You know it's going to be absolutely...
It's actually not that cold, to be honest.
Please.
It's not.
No. I'll be the judge of that.
I mean, I wouldn't put my feet in there, but... Shaun.
Oh my god.
Hands.
Oh, it's like nuclear red. It's cold, Steve.
I'd say I've done it. It's freezing.
You need to go a bit further than that though. You need to cover your ankles.
Oh god.
There you go. Call Nessie, Justine.
Come on, Nessie. Come on.
Where are you, Nessie? Alright guys, this is the last stop of the day actually. We've arrived at Inverness, Shire. We're at Clava Cairns. It's just a cool place to come, so here we are. Let's see what we can see.
Little by little, you wear me down. Little by little, you wear me down. Little by little, you wear me.
Right, well this is as far as we have made it on our journey today. Clava Cairns in Inverness. We've not completed the triangle yet. The triangle of our journey ends at home in Edinburgh, which is about a 3-hour drive from here. Basically after Loch Ness, we came straight here to Inverness, hoping we'd have enough time to also go and see Aviemore and maybe the mountain range, but we just ran out of time. It's too far. From the island Mull up to Inverness here today has literally taken the whole day. And now we've got a 3-hour drive back to Edinburgh. But it's been cool. It's been good to have you guys along on the journey. I'm going to be honest with you guys, I'm probably going to take a bit of a nap on the drive home. The Outlander Standing Stones. Love it. Clava Cairns. And you know what, today, just with the weather being so calm and eerie, it has a bit of an atmosphere about it. It is properly cool here. Highly recommend anybody to come here. You know what? One of these places, this is one of these places here. One of these historic ancient places that people talk about in paranormal senses, that I just get some really good vibrations from. Really good vibes. I don't feel anything sinister here whatsoever. Ancient burial ground perhaps. Maybe we'll never actually know the true meaning of Clava Cairns Standing Stones, but wow, it's some place, that is for sure. Anyway, thanks very much for joining in. Are you part of the 20% club yet? If not, what are you doing? Join in. All you need to do is hit subscribe. My stats tell me 80% of you guys who are watching right now are not subscribed. So, from here in Clava Cairns, get subscribing. And until the next adventure, I hope you have a good night, morning, evening, afternoon, or whatever time of day it is wherever you are in the world. Take care.